It's breaking news coming in from Karnataka, viewers. Kannada film actor, superstar Darshan, who is accused in the Renukaswamy murder case, he is seen enjoying his time, enjoying his stay in the jail. The DG jail has been is going to probe this now. Republic Kannada's news break impact now. You can see how the DG jail is going to order a probe. This is going to be investigated, as we can see in these pictures, viewers, how Darshan is living a very comfortable and luxurious life in jail. And that is the latest visual we have, and it's the first and exclusive on Republic TV, Republic Kannada, getting us that news break. Republic Kannada accessing that picture where actor Darshan can be seen enjoying his time and living a luxurious life. And the impact of Republic Kannada's news break, viewers, is that the DG has ordered probe into this matter. That's the big update we have right now. And my colleague Sri Lakshmi, in fact, is joining us live from our Kannada newsroom in Bengaluru. Sri Lakshmi, of course, Republic news break impact now. A probe has been ordered after this picture has been shown by us.
Rakshita, it is said that an internal probe is likely to be conducted and an order regarding this is likely to be given by today evening, because this picture has been creating a lot of buzz over here, raising big questions about the misappropriations in Parappanagrahara Central Jail. Because it is seen in the photo that the actor Darshan, along with other notorious rowdies and accused persons, enjoying lavish facilities over there in the jail, violating jail protocols. A jail inmate has, it is said that the jail inmate has sent this photo to his wife using mobile phone. So now again, we can remember the report that has been submitted by D. Rupa back in 2017 when she was in charge of prison, when she was DG of police prison, to her senior HN Satyanarayan Rao, listing out all these special preferential treatment which was given to Shashikala and many other VVIP accused prisoners over there, who are using all these facilities. During that time, Shashikala was even allowed to go out of the jail and come back. The CCTV footages were released soon after D. Rupa's report. And later on, the report was kept confidential. The same Siddaramaiah government was there, and the report was kept confidential until 2 years. And later on, during 2019, the report was leaked, and a panel was formed to look into the matter. And then later on, a few reformatory measures regarding these misappropriations and special treatments were taken. But now again, the leakage of this photo is making us to raise big questions that again Parappanagrahara Central Jail has become another resort for VVIP accused persons like this, under trials like this. It is also said that under trials are allowed to get cigarette, coffee and all these things, but not in special lawn like this. If you look at the picture, it is seen that Darshan is sitting like as though he is in a picnic mood, having his cigarette, coffee with other fellow jail mates. It shows that he can enjoy all kinds of lavish life over there in the jail. So now it is again time to raise questions that whether Parappanagrahara Central Jail is a proper central jail or has become a resort to all these. Because these days, if you can see, Rakshita, these Prajwal Revana and ex-minister Nagendra and many VIPs are there in and also under trials are there in Parappanagrahara Central Jail. So whether this special preferential treatment has been given to them and whoever is having money, whoever can give, can spend money lavishly, can get all these, whatever they want. is it a jail or a special picnic place to all these people? This question is raised by many. So many police officers are reacting. Many ex-police officers are saying that this has been looked into. And our ex-Home Minister Arga Jnanendra also insisted that the government should immediately give attention to this, because this raises serious questions that people like Wilson Garden Naga is taking over the central jail and
Right.
controlling everything, allowing these kinds of things are happening. It is also said that officers have been fixed a certain amount of money, monthly money, to allow this to happen.